Are those trains? Hey, can you make the trains go on the track? Should we put them together with the magnet? Okay, here, I'll show you how. Here's one. Here's another. And we're going to put them on the track. And the magnets are going to stick them together. Raymond wants to do it. And there's the steam engine. Alright, can you drive them on the track? Can you do that? Yeah. Looks like they're driving by a farm. You see the animals? Can you smile for the camera? Raymond. Raymond, tell Grandma thank you. Blow her a kiss. Tell her, I love my trains. Can you say choo-choo?
Yeah.
Good job. Can you smile? Say hi.